Hey guys, welcome back. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the difference between a where clause and a having clause. So here, I'm just selecting from the table products. So I have 5 rows here and I have the product ID, name, category, and price. So I'm just going to write a simple group by statement to get some aggregates. So I'm just going to do select all from products, and here, let's just select category, and then I'm going to do some price. And I'm gonna give it an alias. I'm gonna call it total price, and then I'm just gonna select count and I'm just gonna call it total count. And since we're using aggregates here and I have a column selected here, I'm just gonna use a group by, so I'm just gonna group it on category. So let's execute it now. Okay, so we have category here, the total price and total count. So for all, it should be just one except for clothing. So we have 2 count here and the sum of price is 70, and then we have 2 items here. Rest everything is 1. Okay. So now let me actually just copy this and paste it here. So let's say if you want to filter this result set by category where the sum of the price is more than 50. If I try to do this, if I do sum price in the where clause is greater than 50, I am gonna get an error here because the aggregates are not even done. I haven't done the group by yet before I'm selecting it, so I can't use the where clause to filter based on aggregates. So what I can do is I can just remove this from here and put it outside of the group by. And when you use filtering outside of group by, we have to use this having clause. So now if I execute it, it's gonna filter it based on this new criteria. So where the sum of the price is greater than 50. So we're gonna have all of these except for this 5. So we're gonna have these 3. So the having clause is actually applying filtering after we have already done our group by. So on the result set of this group by, that's where the having clause filter is gonna work. It's after the group by. And if let's just remove this from here. If I do where price is greater than 50, now see the difference. We're only gonna get 2 rows because it has already applied the filter before the group by. So what happened here is we are only gonna get this 90 and this 75 price here. So we are only gonna get these 2 records here. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching.